Module 3, the which is different technique. In this module, you will learn a technique that will help you choose the correct answer before reviewing the question. Have you ever thought about selecting an answer even before reading the question? Do you think you can? In this module, I will show you how you can select the correct answer choice before you read the question. This technique, the which is different technique, helped me choose the correct answer for a lot of questions when I retook the written portion of the CEP. Let's go into the classroom so I can show you how this technique works. The key to the which is different technique is focusing on the answer choices, not the question. Let's take a look at these answer choices. A, coffee, B, tea, C, lemonade, D, soda. With this technique, you will need to focus on the answer choice that is different from the others. I will give you 25 seconds to review the choices and choose an answer. If you have a piece of paper, record your answer on your paper. I will reveal the question once the timer stops. What answer choice did you choose and why? Let's take a look at the question. During mealtime, what fluid would the nurse aide serve to a newly admitted resident who is a Seventh-day Adventist? Now, let's analyze this question. What is a Seventh-day Adventist? Do you know? I don't. What is the significance of this resident being newly admitted? Does it really matter if the resident is newly admitted or if he or she has resided at the facility for a lengthy period of time? No, it doesn't. For this type of question, you need to focus on the answer choices to determine which answer choice is different from the others and why. Looking at these answer choices, I can immediately eliminate answer choices A, coffee, B, tea, and D, soda. Why? These answer choices are similar as these beverages contain caffeine. The answer choice C, lemonade, does not contain caffeine. Therefore, answer choice C is different from the others because it does not contain caffeine. If you chose answer choice C, lemonade, you are correct. Good job. Let's try another question using the same technique. Analyze these answer choices. A, respiratory infections, B, blood clots, C, increased appetite, and D, pressure ulcers. Which answer choices are similar and in what way? Which answer choice is different and why? I will give you a few seconds to analyze these answer choices on your own. Record your answer on your paper. I will reveal the question once the timer has stopped. What answer choice did you choose and why? Let's look at the question. An immobile resident is susceptible to all the following conditions except. This is a good example of an exception question. There are two focus words in this question. Immobile, meaning the resident cannot move independently without assistance, and except, meaning to exclude or is not included. The question is asking you to choose an answer which is not a result of immobility. Let's look at the answer choices again. A. Respiratory infections. B. Blood clots. C. Increased appetite. And D. Pressure ulcers. For these answer choices, you will need to know the difference between a symptom and a sign. Symptoms are subjective, meaning the resident can report something, but it cannot be verified, such as pain, fatigue, dizziness, loss of appetite, or increased appetite. A sign is objective, something that can be measured in a clinical setting, such as elevated blood pressure, an infection, a pressure ulcer, a fever, or a blood clot. So, knowing the difference between a sign and a symptom, you may eliminate answer choices A. Respiratory infections, B. Blood clots, and D. Pressure ulcers, as these are all signs. Answer choice C. Increased appetite is different from the other answer choices because it is a symptom. Therefore, the correct answer is answer choice C. Increased appetite. Using the which is different technique, select an answer from the following answer choices. Remember, determine which answer choices are similar and in what way, and which answer choice is different and why. Write your answer on your paper. I will reveal the question and the correct answer after the timer stops. Congratulations on completing Module 3, the which is different technique. Now it's time to put what you have learned into action. Take this 5-question quiz to become more familiar and comfortable with using this technique. Good luck.